Hi students, in this video we will discuss PUC first year midterm examination 2023 Kalburgi district paper. Today it is completed. Okay, now we'll discuss how the question paper is there, how much difficulty it is. We will solve MCQs questions, fill in the blank, and also we solve the problems. If it is completed in this video means we'll complete here, otherwise we'll make one more videos. And also the question paper PDF is available in the description section. Okay, next we move on to the question paper, and also we'll discuss some answers, right? Okay, now see, first part is there. Here we have 15 questions. Okay, each question carries 1 marks. Okay, first question is okay, main part 1. Pick the correct option among the 4 given options are given. Now see, 1 kg meter square per second square is equal to how much they are asking, and options A is given. Option A is option A is 1 gram centimeter square per second, and B option is 10 gram centimeter square C 10 raised to minus 5 gram per centimeter square, 10 raised to 6 gram centimeter square per second square is there. Now see how to solve this one. Okay, we'll solve this one. Now see, kg is converted into grams, and a meter is converted into centimeter. Okay, now so how to solve this type of problems? Now see, we know that okay, 1 kg equal to how much? 1 kg equal to how much? 1 kg equal to 1000 grams, right? 1 kg equal to how much? 1 kg equal to 1000 grams, right? Next, 1 meter equal to how much? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, right? Okay, now see, what about the value of 1 kg meter square per second square? Means 1 kg means how much? 1 kg means 1000 gram, right? 1000 gram into meter square is there. Okay, 1 meter is how much? 100 centimeter square, means 100 into 100, right? 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter, right? Now see, what will happen? How many zeros are there? Here 3 zeros are there here, and here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros, means 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 total 7, means 10 raised to 7. Centimeter into centimeter means centimeter square it is, right? Now see, but in option they are given centi is not given. Okay, okay, centimeter square 10 raised to 7 is there, right? Now see, in options I think this uh, 10 raised to 7, this answer is 10 raised to centimeter square. Now see, if you remove the centi this becomes 10 raised to 5, otherwise it is a 10 raised to 7 centimeter square per second square, right? So the option is here actually 10 raised to 7 gram per centimeter square is there, but in option it is not given. So the that's why I think this is a grace one, right? Okay, now we'll discuss second question. What is that? Which of the following can be zero when a particle is in motion for some time? Okay, for some time. Now see, speed means distance divided by time, right? Displacement divided by, okay, we know that in theory we have studied distance traveled and speed, they have some, it cannot be zero, means they have some value. Now see, displacement is sometimes zero. Okay, let us take, I am taking one example how displacement is zero. Let us take one particle is at point A. Okay, let us take this is point A. Now this is moving with a velocity v. Now see, this particle is again moving this point C. Let us take this is the point B and this is the point C. Again from point C to again the particle is moving at point A, means at this point the displacement will be zero. Distance traveled is there, speed is there, but displacement is zero. So the option is B is a right answer. Okay, this B is a right answer. Okay, similarly we'll discuss what about the third question? Which of the following physical quantity is dimensionless? Very good. Okay, this is nice question. Okay, now we'll discuss angle. This has no dimension, right? So Specific gravity, it is also having no dimension. Strain is also having no dimension. But all of these have no dimension, means all these are dimensionless quantities. So the option D is a right answer here, right? Okay, D option. Now we'll discuss fourth question. The change in velocity corresponding to the time interval is known as change in velocity divided by time. What it gives? Now see, we know that what is acceleration. What is acceleration? We know acceleration means change in velocity divided by change in time. This will give acceleration. Similarly here, okay, the change in velocity corresponding to the time interval is known as speed. No. Distance divided by time is speed. Instantaneous velocity, no. Uniform motion, no. So that's why the option D is a right answer here, right? Okay, now we move on to the fifth question. Which among the following is a scalar quantity? Force, it is a vector quantity. Momentum is also vector quantity. Velocity is also vector quantity. So the option is mass. Mass is a scalar. So the answer is this one. Okay, this is a vector, this is a vector, and this is also vector. So the option B is a right answer. Okay. Now we'll discuss sixth question. Right, what is sixth question here? What is the sixth question here? What they are asking? They are asking, now see what they are asking in sixth question. Okay, we'll discuss. Right, fine. Okay, six. The horizontal range of the projectile is maximum when the angle of projection is how much? Now see, 90 degrees there, no. 45 degrees, right? This is right. 180, wrong. 60 is also wrong. The horizontal range of the projectile is maximum when the angle of projection is 45 degrees. So the option B is the right answer. Okay, now we'll discuss seventh question. All right, what they are asking in seventh question? When angular velocity changes with respect to time, then an angular acceleration is produced, linear acceleration is produced. It constitute a couple, a linear velocity is produced. Now see, when angular velocity changes, means change in angular velocity divided by change in time, what it gives? It gives omega. Omega means what? Angular acceleration. Angular velocity, change in angular velocity, sorry here, not omega. Angular acceleration is denoted as what? Angular acceleration is denoted as alpha. Alpha equal to angular velocity is denoted as what? Omega. Change in angular velocity divided by change in time, this will give the angular acceleration. Means first, okay, angular acceleration will be produced here, right? So that's why the option A is a right answer here, because angular acceleration is produced. Linear acceleration means just change in velocity divided by change in velocity, means linear change in velocity divided by linear time it is, right? That's why A option is the right answer. Okay, now we'll discuss eighth question. What is that eighth question? What they are asking? Now see, when we kick a stone, we get hurt due to which one of the following property? Okay, we know already. There is a common word is there. The every action there is equal and opposite reaction is there. Similarly, we are doing action on some stone, right? Means automatically it will be reacting to you people, right? So the option is D is the right answer. Velocity means no, it is a physical quantity. This momentum is also physical quantity. Inertia is also physical quantity. And reaction, it is also one kind of it is one kind of property, means it is also one kind of reaction, sorry. Okay, fine. And next we move on to the ninth question. Forces acting for short duration of time are called as what? A short force, forces acting for short duration of time are called impulsive forces. Okay, so the option C is a right answer here, because what is impulsive forces? Is a large force acting for a small interval of time, that will gives the impulsive forces. That's why the option C is a right answer here, right? Okay, now we'll discuss 10th question. Which one of the following is not used to reduce friction? Sorry. Okay, oil is used to reduce the friction, so that's why this is not. Ball bearings, it is also used to reduce the friction. Sand is there, no, right? This is the right answer. Graphite is also used to reduce the friction, that's why sand is the right answer here. Means which one of the following is not used to reduce friction? Means oil, ball bearings, graphite, all these are used in to reduce the friction, right? Okay, now we'll discuss 11th question. Okay, a bottle of soda water is rotated in a vertical circle, right, with the neck held in a hand. The air bubbles are collected where? Okay, now see, one bottle is there, one soda bottle is there. How it is? This bottle is like this, right? Now this is the vertical and this is the horizontal. Where this bottle is rotating like this, what will happens in this is soda means, okay, bubbles will be formed and this is the neck. Okay, bubbles are collected where? All the bubbles, all these bubbles are collected this neck, so the answer is neck, near the neck. Okay, now I'll discuss which question. We will discuss 12th question, right? Right, now I'll discuss 12th question. Which one of the following is not conservative force? Right, electrostatic force is a conservative force, so that's why this is not right answer. Next, magnetic force is also conserved. Gravitational force is also conserved force, so the friction is not conserved, so the answer is C. Na, 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 na. Okay. Now we'll discuss 13th question, right? 13 is what they are asking in 13th question. How kinetic energy of a body varies with velocity? Velocity. Okay, fine. We know the expression for kinetic energy. Kinetic energy equal to what? Kinetic energy equal to half mv square is there. Why? V square, right? Now see, Ke, kinetic energy. Okay, now I am taking this term as constant. I am writing it is proportional to this kinetic energy is proportional to what? Square of its velocity. So the option is B is the right answer. V is not. V cube is there and inversely proportional is there. All these are wrong. So the option Ke is proportional to V square. Na, 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 na. Okay, now we'll discuss 14th question. If the external forces acting on a system have zero resultant, what will happen? What they are asking, if the external forces acting on a system have zero resultant, the center of mass, where it is, here it is, right? What will happen to the center of mass? Wait, right. Okay, now see, what is the question? If the external forces acting on a system have zero resultant, means it is not moving anywhere, what will happen? The center of mass must not to move. Yes, this is not right. Must not to accelerate. Yes, correct. Must not to accelerate. Yes, and may move. Yes, of course they can move. Means both. B, it is possible. C is also possible. So the option D is the right answer. Because in case of external forces acting on a system have zero resultant, means that mass must not accelerate, but that can move. They cannot accelerate, but they can move. So the option B and C is also right. Okay, next question we'll discuss. Next. Okay, what is that? Last question. 15th question is there. Okay, what is 15th question? We'll read once again. Moment of inertia of a straight thin rod of mass m is there. Okay, now see, what is there in question? In question, one straight thin rod is there and having mass m and length of this rod is given, it is L, right? This is a rod and length is L. About an axis perpendicular to its length. Now see, moment of inertia is here. How means this is rotating like this is rotating like this, and passing through its any one end. Okay, either you will take here or you can take this side, anywhere one end it is passing. Means on that case, what about the moment of inertia? Moment of inertia is ml square divided by 12, right? So this answer is very simple. This is the direct question, right? Okay, another two questions are there here. Okay, we move on to the second part. Fill in the blank by choosing appropriate answers are there. 5 into 1 means 5 marks are there. Okay, this is, if in this make question, if you know the 3 means you can write another 2, or if you know the 4 means directly one unknown can be filled up very easily, right? Okay, now see. A man standing in a lift falling under a gravity releases a ball from his hand. As seen by him, the ball is stationary. What will happen? Both are means ball is also moving, right, under gravity. And okay, in man a lift is also moving falling under gravity. Means what will happen? A man and ball both are moving with g, both are moving at g, means same speed they are moving, falling means, okay, each other. Means this man and this ball are looking like stationary, so the option is stationary, right? Okay, now see, I think last at the 17th question. At the maximum height of the projectile, the velocity and acceleration are 90 degree or perpendicular to each other. You remember? Okay, actually what is happens at the maximum height of the projectile, the velocity and acceleration, what will happens? Okay, now okay, for example, how we'll discuss. Now see, I am standing here at this point, right? This is the origin. Okay, now say I'm projecting one particle. Okay, the particle will move, accelerate. Okay, acceleration will be there. After that, it reaching the maximum height. This is the maximum height. Now what will happen at this point? At this point, velocity will acceleration will be zero, right? Acceleration will be zero, but velocity will be there. The particle is falling like this. So one is moving in this direction and one more is moving in this direction. Means these two are perpendicular to each other. Means acceleration and velocity, these two are mutually perpendicular to each other, are exactly they have 90 degree. Means they have perpendicular to each other, so the answer is perpendicular or 90 degree, right? Only 16 and 17th questions are discussed in this case. Right now we'll discuss, okay, which question we'll discuss? We will discuss 18th question, right? 18th question. In 18 what they are asking? In 18th what they are asking? Okay, right, this much. Okay, in 18th question, SI unit of force is, okay, this is very simple question. SI unit of force is Newton. Okay, 19th question, rate of doing work. Rate of doing work is called as what? Power. We know power, dw divided by dt. Rate of doing work, d by dt is called as what? Rate of doing work. This will give the power. Okay, 20s. The point at which whole weight of the body is concentrated is called as what? Center of gravity. Okay, let us take one example here. Where is the center of mass and where is the center of gravity? Now see, I am taking one object is like this, right? I am taking one object is there. This object is like this, right? Now see, this is point A and this is point B. Now see, this is the midpoint. At this midpoint, this is the midpoint. Okay, here see, where is the center is this one. Where is the center of gravity? Center of gravity is at this point. This is the center of gravity. This is the center of mass, right? This is the center of gravity. Means here this complete mass will be acted on this point. On this point is called as what? This point is called as center of gravity. Okay. Now come to the part B. Okay, in this part B, just you see the questions are there, and all these questions are there in textbook. So that I am not discussing these questions. Okay, wherever it is possible, I will discuss. Okay, now see for part C is there. Answer any five of the following is there. 5 into 3, 15 it is. Okay, here also we have plenty of options are there, means more options are given. That's why I am also not discussing, because in textbook these questions are available and also answers. Okay, now see we'll discuss this part, right? Here one question is there. Significant figures we'll discuss. Now see in 0.007, how many number of significants are there? Only this has significant. So the number of significant figures are 1. In 2.64 into 10 raised to 24, how many zeros are there? That is not significant. Here 2 is a significant, 6 is also significant, and 4 is also significant. Total number of significant figures are 3. Now see one more number is there. What is there? 12300. 12300. Not mobile number. This is a significant number. Okay, now see this is 0 not significant. This 0 is also not significant. This 1 is significant. This 2 is also significant. This 3 is also significant. Means how many number of significants are there? Significant figures are there? Only 3 numbers. So the option is first one is 1. Sorry, first this is 1, second 3, and third is also 3. 1 3 3 is the answer, right? Okay, similarly we have some questions here. These questions answers will get in textbook. I am not discussing these answers, right? Here problem part D is there. Problems questions are there. I think all the part D 5 marks questions are very simple. And also now we'll discuss part. Okay, in part D 45, 46, and 47, I think these questions are also direct questions, right? That's why I'm not solving in this video. If you want to need these answers, means write on the comment section. I will try to solve all these answers. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you, and all. Bye.